What's up, IT Ninjas? Today we're going to take a look at a super handy tip you need to know about Outlook. Before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm always coming out with new content, fixes, and how-to guides that you're going to want to watch. Just take a second, it really helps out the channel. Let's look at using the Schedule Send option in your Outlook mail client. You can schedule the delivery of an individual message by having it held in Outlook for a specified time after you select Send. In the Outlook web app, if you went to Outlook.com, and then when crafting a message, fill in your details, and under this drop-down option next to the Send button, click Schedule Send. The default is to schedule it tomorrow, but click Custom Time, and if we wanted to send it today, let's just pick a time in the future. We'll just call it 11:45 and press Send. If we navigate to the drafts folder, we can see that the message is indeed scheduled to be sent by 11:45. If we wished, we could cancel the send and edit the message, but we'll go ahead and put that back into place at the 11:45 time. Just make sure everything is functioning correctly. Fast forwarding a few minutes, we can see that the message has left the draft folder and is now in the sent items, so it has been delivered successfully. In the classic Outlook app, the same function is called Delay Delivery. When crafting a message on the ribbon in the Tags section near the Assign Policy button, click the drop-down or navigate to the Options tab and click Delay Delivery. In the Delivery Options section, just update the Do Not Deliver Before Day and Time options. Then close and press Send. You will then see the message in the outbox until the desired delivery time. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know what you thought in the comments, or if you have any Outlook tips for delay delivery or sending options. See you in the next video, and let's Ninja Fix It.